Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a V2Ray VMess server account using UDP Custom. V2Ray VMess is one of the best solutions for fast, secure, and private browsing, especially when combined with VPN tunneling. By creating your own V2Ray server, you gain better control over your online security. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more VPN tricks and updates. Now, let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and press Enter. You'll see a list of search results. Click on the official UDP Custom website. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, locate the menu icon in the top corner. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, a hamburger menu. Click on it to open the menu. From the options, select V2Ray Slow DNS server. This will take you to a new page where you can create a V2Ray server. You'll now see a list of available server locations. Choose one based on your preference. The closer the server is to your region, the faster your connection will be. After selecting a location, you'll be redirected to the account creation page. Here, enter a unique username. Then solve the CAPTCHA to verify you're not a robot. Once done, click Create Now. In just a few seconds, your V2Ray VMess server account will be generated and the server details will be displayed on the screen. Make sure to copy and save these details as you'll need them when setting up your VPN. And that's it. You've successfully created a V2Ray VMess server account. This server can now be used for secure and private browsing on various VPN applications. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.